Never say, I can't afford it, but ask yourself, how can I afford it? Rich Dad, Poor Dad is one of the best selling books written on personal finance. In the book, Robert has talked about the cash flow quadrant. He has asked to focus on four main things. Number one, income. Income is any money earned from your job or business. Second is expenditure. It is money spent on utilities like food, luxuries, tax, etc. Then he talks about asset and liabilities. Liability is something which takes out cash from your pocket. Example, car, you spend on insurance, fuel, maintenance. Whereas asset is something which is putting money inside your pocket. Example, rental properties, business, stocks, dividends, etc. Robert has asked to focus and invest in your asset column first. He has taught us to make our money work for us. Once your asset column becomes greater than your liabilities, you start generating wealth. In the comment section, you can also share your valuable lessons learned from the book Rich Dad Poor Dad. Thank you for liking and sharing, and do follow for more such ideas.